Hello there, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at the Tech Travel Geeks. And this is the Tech Travel Geeks unboxing and first impressions of the HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro, some high quality Bluetooth 5.2 earbuds with active noise cancellation. That means that they'll be ideal for those traveling by air or by rail or even by bus where there's a lot of background noise. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Right then, so HUAWEI have very kindly sent us a pair of FreeBuds Pro to review. I'm going to use my blunt scissors to get through the cellophane that's around the cardboard packaging and into the packet. Now these seem to be optimized for retail in stores because you can see they have an actual hanger in the packaging, built into the packaging. So let's see what's inside the box. I'm going to slide the box out, and as you take the lid off the box, first and forefront you get the buds themselves, and they have a nice little soft touch paper strip that you pull out. I'm going to put these aside, we'll check them out in a moment. And then underneath there you have cardboard, more cardboard, so very little if any plastic. Now let's see what's in the box here. So we have a USB Type A to USB Type C cable because they charge with USB Type C. And there is also a separate little box underneath there which contains, it feels like, some documentation. Oh, that goes out the other side, that's why. Whoops. So there is inside the box some extra ear tips, which is very handy, so that you can get the right fit for them, and your warranty card and extra information there. Really good of HUAWEI to cut down on the plastic here. There's no plastic bag containing the ear tips. And so that's the contents of the box. So let's focus on the earbuds themselves. So I'm going to take that bit out, and you're faced with what is a nicely weighted HUAWEI case for the earbuds. And they open up, and on the inside you have the HUAWEI earbuds themselves. Now let's have a look at them. So you have right and left earbuds. They're an interesting design, so really nice earbud shape, which should be good for most people. Obviously it's very subjective to your ear shape. And the sticks here are actually quite square. They're very noticeably square, and the contacts at the bottom are on the corner of that rectangular ending to the sticks. That's really quite clever design. And you'll notice that here on the side there's two little panels that seems to be LEDs. So what we're going to do is put them on charge for a while. As you can see, you get a green LED when they start going on charge. I'm going to put the earbuds on charge, and I'm going to connect them to my HUAWEI P40 smartphone. I'm going to put it through its paces with some music, podcasts, audiobooks, and also check out the video to see if there's any lag, noticeable lag there. And what I'm going to do is also connect it to my Apple iPhone 11 and see how they perform with the iPhone 11. These are a set of premium earbuds, so it may also warrant what I call the vacuum cleaner test. Since we're in a period of time where we can't travel much, I'm going to do some vacuum cleaning whilst having these earbuds in to see what the active noise cancellation is like. But for now, thanks for watching up to here, just a few seconds for you, and we'll be putting the HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro through their paces. Okay then, and I'm back. So I paired the HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro with both my iPhone and my HUAWEI P40, as well as my PC. In the case of the HUAWEI P40 and the PC, I was actually doing it at the same time to see how it handled different scenarios with regards to the pairing of two devices and how dual sound works. So you can, for example, be watching a YouTube video on your PC and have the phone ring to trigger a phone call, and everything works great. We tried a quick video call using the FreeBuds, sound was good. And earlier when I was doing some vacuum cleaning, I tried the active noise cancellation, and I have to say it is very, very good, because not only is there microphones on the outside that detect the noise that is out there and try and make up for that, there's also microphones on the inside seeing what you're actually hearing when that happens. Now, on the Huawei P40, there's an app called AI Life. I got this from the Huawei App Gallery, and that gives you full control over the FreeBuds. It gives you the settings for noise cancellation, and more importantly, the awareness mode. So the two bits that we saw earlier and that I thought were where LEDs were in fact the sensors for finding out when you put your finger on them to control the FreeBuds. So this sensor is what is actually telling if you're putting your finger on them. Now, I went through a few changes on there, and I have to say that awareness mode may be useful in certain circumstances. For example, if you're on a train and there's the announcement of the next stop, or if there's other situations where you need to actually be listening to what's going on outside. So great overall setup. The sound quality is good both for calls and for listening to music, audiobooks, podcasts. I have to say there's plenty of bass in this earbuds. They remind me in a way of the HUAWEI earbuds that we unboxed and provided first impressions of earlier this year. Really good bass, really good sound reproduction. With my PC, they were a bit crackly. There was a bit of interference, but that's because PC was quite far away at the time, and there's obviously some interference. But with the mobile phone, no issues whatsoever. So I have to say the HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro work great. And if you're using the AI Life app, you also get to see the battery life of individual earbuds as well as of the case. And pairing the earbuds was amazingly easy. All I did was open the case, so flip the case open, and press the button on the side, and my Huawei P40 automatically paired. It was really fast and easy. So really handy if you have a Huawei device or if you have access to the Huawei gallery and you want to use that. So first impressions of the Huawei FreeBuds Pro are very, very positive. We'll be putting these through a full review and giving you the impressions after a few weeks of using them regularly as main devices and see how they hold up in terms of battery life. Obviously, with active noise cancellation, your mileage may vary with regards to battery life. And with active noise cancellation off, you'll get slightly longer battery life, but we'll need to see how that works. One other thing that I look forward to trying out is wireless charging. I haven't tried this yet on the FreeBuds. I did use USB Type-C to charge, but wireless charging is an option here, and that's quite convenient if you have a wireless charger. So one thing to look forward to in the final review. But for now, thanks for watching this quick unboxing and first impressions of the Huawei FreeBuds Pro. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. And until the next video, thank you for watching and goodbye from us.